Have you ever wondered whether someone was developing feelings for you, but couldn't quite tell for sure? The truth is, women often reveal their emotions long before they ever openly admit them, not through grand gestures or direct confessions, but through the quiet, subtle power of their words. Language isn't simply a tool for communication. It's a bridge between two hearts. And when a woman begins developing feelings for you, the way she speaks to you shifts in ways that go far deeper than ordinary conversation. Whether she's fully aware of it or not, her words carry clear psychological signals about where her emotions truly stand. According to behavioral psychology, people unconsciously express emotional attachment through subtle linguistic patterns. Dr. John Gottman, one of the most respected relationship psychologists of our time, discovered that the words people choose in relationships are powerful predictors of long-term emotional investment. And when it comes to women specifically, their choice of words often reveals their true feelings well before they ever look at you and say, "I like you." So if you've ever caught yourself wondering, is she catching feelings for me? Pay very close attention to what she says. Because the truth is, a woman will always reveal her emotions before she ever confesses them outright. By the end of this video, you'll have a deep and clear understanding of the subtle but powerful phrases women say when they're genuinely falling for someone. And to make sure you don't miss a single thing, the most important sign is being saved for last, a phrase that serves as the ultimate confirmation that a woman is truly, deeply into you. So stay with us, because what you're about to discover might completely change the way you understand attraction forever. Welcome to Psychology Realm, your trusted space for real, meaningful insight into the complexities of love and human connection. Number 1, I feel like I've known you forever. When a woman says this to you, she isn't simply making small talk or filling the silence. She's expressing something far more significant, a deep emotional connection. This phrase means she feels remarkably comfortable in your presence, as though there is an unspoken bond between you that defies logic and transcends time. Psychologists have long found that women tend to form emotional attachments more quickly than men, especially when they feel truly understood by someone. Dr. John Gottman, one of the leading researchers in the field of relationships, explains that emotional safety is one of the most powerful drivers of attraction. When a woman begins feeling genuinely secure around you, she starts to associate you with trust, warmth, and a sense of deep familiarity. All essential ingredients in the development of romantic interest. Think about it for a moment. When you meet someone who just gets you, someone you don't have to explain yourself to, it feels completely effortless, doesn't it? That is exactly what she is experiencing when she says this. She is realizing that being around you feels easy, natural, and almost predestined. Imagine you've only been talking for a few weeks, and yet she looks at you one evening and says softly, "It's so strange. I feel like I've known you forever." That isn't just a compliment, that is a confession. Her subconscious is quietly telling her that you have already carved out a meaningful place in her world. So how should you respond in that moment? Rather than brushing it off or letting it pass, lean into it gently. You could tease her just a little and say, "So are you saying we might have been soulmates in another life?" Or if you want to reinforce that emotional bond more sincerely, simply tell her, "That's really sweet, I feel the same way." The key is to acknowledge the connection she's feeling while keeping the atmosphere light and warm. When a woman feels truly seen and understood, her feelings will only continue to grow deeper. Number 2, you're one of my closest friends, even if you haven't known each other long. Now, before you start to worry, let's take a breath and break this down carefully, because I know exactly what you might be thinking. Did she just put me in the friend zone? But before you jump to that conclusion, it's important to understand what this phrase actually reveals. When a woman calls you one of her closest friends, particularly early in your connection, she is not pushing you away. She is actually testing the emotional intimacy between you. It means she already trusts you at a deep level, and that level of trust is a crucial and necessary step before real romantic attraction fully develops. Women are naturally wired to prioritize emotional security before physical attraction. This is why they instinctively seek out men who make them feel safe, genuinely understood, and emotionally supported. If she is sharing personal stories with you, opening up about her insecurities, or confiding things she wouldn't tell most people in her life, she is emotionally investing in you. That is not a small thing. For example, imagine she looks at you one day and casually says, "I feel like I can tell you absolutely anything. You're one of my closest friends." She isn't trying to push you away. What she is really saying is, I trust you. You matter to me. So how should you respond? First, don't panic and don't act disappointed. This is not the dreaded situation people fear. It is actually a strong signal that she sees you as genuine relationship material. Stay calm, play it cool, and consider saying something like, I really appreciate that. I think the best relationships always start with a deep friendship. By saying this, you are subtly planting an important idea. That great love and great friendship are not opposites, but rather the very same thing at different stages. It shifts the entire conversation away from just friendship and toward the kind of profound connection that lasting relationships are truly built on. The more emotionally comfortable she feels around you, the more naturally she will begin to see you as something more. Number 3, you're so different from other guys I've met. When a woman says this to you, she is telling you clearly and directly that you stand out. And in the world of attraction, standing out is everything. Women are constantly, quietly evaluating the men around them, not in a harsh or calculating way, but in a natural, instinctive way that helps them identify who is truly worth their emotional investment. If she is comparing you favorably to other men she has encountered, it means she sees you as someone of genuine value, someone who is not like the rest. Psychologists refer to this as selective perception. Once we develop an emotional attachment to someone, we begin to filter our entire world through that lens. If she already sees you as someone different and special, she will naturally begin to place you in a category above the average. Imagine she says to you casually, you're not like most guys I've met, you actually listen. Or simply, you're different in a really good way. What she is truly saying underneath those words is, you are worth paying real attention to. So how should you respond? A little playful confidence works beautifully here. Instead of just nodding and saying a quiet thank you, smile and tell her, I'll take that as a very good thing. And then take it just one step further. Ask her with a touch of curiosity, what exactly do you think makes me so different? This works so well because it gently invites her to verbalize the reasons she is drawn to you. And the moment she starts listing them out loud, she is actively reinforcing her own attraction toward you, and whether she fully realizes it in that moment or not. Number 4, I feel like I can be myself around you. This one is significant. When a woman tells you she can be completely herself around you, she is revealing something that most people overlook entirely. She is trusting you with her real, unguarded self. Think about what that truly means. Most of us spend a great deal of our daily lives presenting a carefully curated version of ourselves, a version we believe will be accepted, admired, or at least not judged. But when a woman begins to let that guard down around you, when she starts showing you her quirks, her goofiness, her vulnerability, it means she feels emotionally safe with you at a level that is genuinely rare. Psychologists call this authenticity bonding. It reflects the deep human need to connect with people who allow us to show up fully and honestly, without fear of rejection. This kind of connection is the very foundation of long-term attraction. Maybe she starts making silly jokes around you, or admits something she's a little embarrassed about, or simply lets herself be unfiltered in a way she wouldn't be with most people. And then she says it with a soft smile. I don't know why, but I can just be myself around you. That is enormous. How should you respond? Acknowledge it, but keep the tone warm and playful. You might say something like, that's honestly the best compliment you could give me. Or if she's being goofy and light-hearted, match her energy with a grin and tell her, well, don't stop now. I want to see the full, completely unfiltered version of you. By genuinely embracing her authenticity, you make her feel even more secure, valued, and deeply connected to you. And once a woman truly feels like she can be herself around someone, she never wants to let that feeling go. Number 5, you make me feel seen and heard. This might sound simple on the surface, but do not underestimate its power for even a single second. When a woman tells you that you make her feel seen and heard, she is revealing something incredibly rare. That you understand her in a way that most people in her life simply do not. Women are deeply emotional communicators. They don't merely want to be listened to, they want to feel that their thoughts, their feelings, and their lived experiences genuinely matter to the person in front of them. A study published in Psychology Today found that emotional validation is one of the strongest and most consistent factors in long-term attraction. When a woman feels truly heard, she feels safe, valued, and profoundly connected to the person who creates that space for her. So what does this look like in real life? Perhaps she shares something personal with you, something meaningful from her past, and rather than dismissing it or rushing to fix it, you simply listen. You ask thoughtful questions. You engage with real, genuine interest. And then, days later, you bring up something she mentioned almost in passing, her favorite childhood movie, or a quiet dream she has for her future. And she looks at you differently in that moment. Something shifts behind her eyes. And then she says it. You actually listen. You make me feel seen and heard. In that moment, you have created emotional security, something she will not easily forget and will not easily find elsewhere. How should you respond? Acknowledge it fully. Say something like, I think the best relationships are always built on mutual understanding. I genuinely love hearing your perspective. By reinforcing that her thoughts and emotions matter to you, you deepen the connection she already feels, and that only makes her feelings for you grow stronger with every conversation. Number 6, I feel a deep connection with you. The word connection here is everything. This is not casual attraction. This is not surface-level interest based on chemistry or shared hobbies. This is full emotional investment. When a woman tells you she feels a deep connection with you, she is not speaking lightly. She is talking about something she perceives as rare and irreplaceable. She sees you as someone who truly understands her, someone she feels drawn to on a level that almost defies explanation. Psychologists call this emotional resonance. It is that remarkable alignment between two people's inner worlds that makes them feel completely and effortlessly in sync with one another. Here is how you will notice it beginning to happen before she even says the words. She will start opening up about the deeper dimensions of her life, her fears, her childhood, her most private dreams. She will bring up conversations you've had in the past and tell you how much they meant to her. She will begin associating you with a sense of emotional fulfillment she doesn't easily find elsewhere. And before she has even fully processed what is happening inside her, she is already emotionally hooked. So when she finally says it to you, what do? Don't downplay it. Don't deflect. Instead, meet her there. Tell her, I love that. Real connection is rare, and I genuinely think we have something special. By acknowledging it without hesitation, you make her feel completely safe in her emotions. And that sense of safety makes everything she feels for you grow even stronger. Number 7, I can talk to you about anything. At first glance, this might seem similar to the previous sign, but there is an important and meaningful distinction. When a woman says she feels a deep connection with you, she is describing an emotional bond, something felt in the heart. But when she says she can talk to you about absolutely anything, she is describing emotional compatibility, the kind of rare alignment that leads to long-term attraction and the foundation of lasting relationships. Think about it honestly. We all have people in our lives we care about deeply. But how many of them can we truly talk to without fear of judgment, without the weight of being misunderstood? If she is saying this to you, it means she sees you as her safe space. She knows she can bring you her thoughts, no matter how deep, how random, how serious, or how wonderfully silly, and you will actually be present with her. Here is how you will recognize it as it begins to unfold. She texts you out of nowhere about something completely random just because she wanted to share it with you. She asks for your genuine opinion on an important life decision. She talks about her personal struggles with you openly and without hesitation, as though it is the most natural thing in the world. All of these are powerful signs that she feels emotionally fulfilled simply by talking to you. So when the moment comes, how do you respond? Let her know that you welcome all of it, even the strangest thoughts. And then gently reinforce your emotional availability by adding, that really matters to me. I think the best relationships are always built on that kind of openness. This quietly tells her that she is safe to keep sharing, that there is no judgment here, only genuine presence. And as she continues to open up, her emotional investment in you will grow deeper and more unshakable with every passing conversation. Bonus sign. I miss you even when you haven't been gone long. If a woman tells you she misses you, Even after only a short time apart, pay very close attention, because this is one of the most revealing signs of all. Let's be honest with ourselves here. People don't miss just anyone. Missing someone means they have become a meaningful part of your daily thoughts, your emotional rhythm, your sense of comfort in the world. When a woman expresses that she misses you, even when it's only been a matter of hours, what she is truly communicating is this: I feel emotionally connected to you, and your presence brings me a sense of peace that I notice when it's gone. Psychologists explain that emotional attachment forms when someone begins to associate happiness, safety, and a quiet excitement with another person's presence. When a woman starts developing real feelings, she becomes acutely aware of your absence. Whether it has been a few days, a few hours, or simply a quiet morning spent apart. Imagine this scenario. You spent the evening together, and the very next morning she sends you a message that simply says, I miss you. In that moment, she is not just saying words. She is showing you exactly where her heart is. She is thinking about you, wanting to be near you, and craving the emotional closeness that only you seem to provide. So how should you respond? Keep it warm, genuine, and simple. Tell her, that's sweet, I miss you too. Because when you reflect those feelings back to her, you strengthen the emotional bond between you. And once a woman begins to feel genuinely emotionally attached to someone, that connection does not weaken with time, it only deepens. If you have made it all the way to this point, it means you are someone who takes relationships and self-growth seriously. You now have a deep and meaningful understanding of the subtle but powerful phrases women say when they are developing real feelings for someone. These are not random words, they are windows into the heart. And now that you know how to recognize them, you will never overlook them again. If this resonated with you, take a moment to like this video. It is a small gesture that helps this kind of meaningful content reach the people who need it most. And if you are not yet part of the Psychology Realm community, subscribe now for daily insights on attraction, emotional intelligence, and becoming the very best version of yourself. You never know who in your life might need to hear exactly this. Share it with someone who could use a little clarity in their heart today.